Hey guys, welcome back again to another video. I hope this video finds you in perfect health. If you're new here, stopping by, I say a warm welcome to you. Join the family by subscribing, okay? On the menu today, we have chicken light soup. Just like we do back home, fresh chicken light soup. So let's go to the kitchen and start cooking. Here we have our chicken. We're just gonna go ahead and wash it with some lemon. Alright, so at this point you want to go ahead and add your garlic, onions, and all your vegetables. So I am going to add some pumpkin, tomatoes, carrots, so I'm using red and yellow onions, and then I have this in the fridge, yellow bell pepper, homemade spice blend, some salt, we're going to cover this to steam for some few minutes. I'm not adding water yet. The juices from the chicken is going to serve as the water. So guys, let me show you something. You see the water? This is from the chicken. I did not add any water. This is from the chicken. See? So this water is going to steam it a little bit before we add water. But I had to change the pan because the original pan was too small. But everything is going on very well. Comment down below what you're going to eat this soup with. I think we're going to take the vegetables out. Alright, for the yellow pepper, I took the seeds out. Alright, so make sure you take the seeds out before you blend it. At this point, we're going to cover the soup to boil. At this point, we're also going to add some pepper and okra. Check for salt. Our soup is coming together. The moment you see oil forming on your soup, you know it's almost done. Guys, our soup is ready. Take a look. All we need is some fufu, rice, eba, etc. to go with the soup. The pumpkin that I used made a difference. It gave it this rich color. This is what I added. This kind of pumpkin gave it this rich color. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe to the channel, and be safe. God bless. Bye-bye.